What's up, guys? Super cool that you're watching a new episode of Twins Television. In this episode, we're finally gonna work on our fantastic Lamborghini Gallardo. It's already fantastic, but it's gonna get even better. In this episode, we're gonna clean the interior. And as you've seen in the previous episode, a lot of parts were just dumped on the seats. In this episode, we'll completely tidy up the interior to avoid damaging the seats. And we're gonna check if it's complete, because yes, all those parts lying in the seat, they have to come from somewhere. So I'm super curious, are you not subscribed yet? Subscribe because you don't want to miss how we're going to fix it completely and get it back on the road. So let's get started quickly. I'm really excited and I could just keep looking at it for hours. Before we start cleaning the skin, we're going to first remove all the stuff that's been thrown on the chair. Yes, it's a huge waste, of course. That they still pick it up at all. Just look. What is that? All parts from the wheel arch, it seems, from the left rear? A heat shield or something?
Yes, a heat shield indeed.
It certainly didn't do its job. Perhaps it did its job after all and prevented even more damage from the fire. What all can be found in the car? Such a shame. Like that? All foil from the auction, how they taped it off. So there's no... Hey, a grid from the left rear! You're kidding. Yeah, man, I heard those are mega expensive. Well, and it's just included. From the right rear.
You're kidding! Is it still intact? It's completely intact!
We're happy about that. Don't forget, those things are just a few hundred if you have to buy them.
Lamborghini. Lamborghini knows where you start.
Now let's see what else we have.
They did it neatly. They put this on a floor mat on the...
Chair, yes.
That's pretty nice. We're still finding out things about the old owner, aren't we? That we're still finding things under the chair that belong to the owner.
Indeed? A booklet from Suzuki?
Searchy.
You come across the craziest things this way, don't you? Where's this from?
Still.
More floor covering.
Shopping bag, buildings, French supermarket, Carrefour indeed.
What do we have here?
Booklet, well...
The booklet doesn't contain any paperwork. It's just a tablet booklet, not even from Lambo. You're absolutely right. It's only a tablet book. An interior mirror, no.
Yes, we have an interior mirror included.
Super nice.
Yes, I already knew it was missing, but having it there is what's nice. Look how dirty, guys. Not normal. What's wrong? This has been completely detached too. What else do I have here? A little build. Hey, a wheel bolt? Yes. We did lose those. Yes, here because we had replaced a tire on the left rear so it could roll. And yes, then we found out that the wheel bolt was actually missing. Luckily we have that now. I will just turn a few rounds in it. This is just a plate with a drawing with all
Fuses and...
This is not for now. Wow, guys, check out the radio.
Boy, oh...
Of course, this doesn't have the box of the reverse gear as we... So, yes, that is built-in aftermarket, but the interior is mega dirty, guys. But guys, do you understand now why we want to clean this? Because this is so dirty. Look here, all powder from the fire extinguisher. Because yes, that was of course a small fire, as you know. Look at this. This needs to be cleaned well. Super nice. And Don found something else? Yes, actually nothing exciting except for the little pink one, which is whole, and the rear view mirror, which we are super happy with. And the rear view mirror, yes, let's just quickly clean the interior because I'm really looking forward to it. It just has to be like new again. Let's go. You all could see it. With a little bit of water and a little bit of drift, you get to the end.
We also took this door panel as a test to see how neat it becomes. I must say the result is super nice. You can't see anything from the powder extinguisher anymore. And besides that, the leather here is a bit bulged. That was already... I don't know yet whether that's due to the fire or the sun where the car is always standing. Yes, and unfortunately this cap here has broken. I think that's due to the low entry of the car. I did find the leg, so we're going to glue it and you'll get a number of them. Now that we've completely cleaned the door, of course we need to treat it.
We'll use Hordito Company's products for that, with a door panel made entirely of leather. What we need for that is the leather clean and feed.
Let's go!
The result turned out super nice.
Let's quickly continue with the rest of the car. Unbelievable.
Music.
Alright guys, as you can see we've tackled the entire dashboard, just like we tackled the door panel. So all the steps we took there, we also did on the dashboard, and also, if you've looked closely, we've cleaned everything with a small brush, every button thing so that all the dust has come out everywhere, but this is how it's been.
Look at that sick layer of powder, and the dashboard is now really Lamborghini quality. Really, this is just how the car was delivered from the factory, I believe, and now the rest of the car.
The last one did break, so if you have one lying around, connect with us. We would love to have it from you.
Take over according to...
According to me, they are also in the Audi DT, right? Or are there 3 of them? I don't want that. A lot of these car parts are used in many different cars. For example, in the Audi, you can take the brakes, and as we mentioned in the previous video, the starter motor from a touring car. So we are still figuring out where exactly we are going to get the right parts from, because such a car is quite scarce in terms of parts. So it's going to be super thick now the rest. We are now going to continue with the center console, because it still needs a lot of love. Then the seats, then the vacuum cleaner and the mats. So there's still a lot to do. Let's quickly continue with the center console, and then we will have a brand new car from the inside. Yes, we can also check off a list. Indeed, let's go. the outcome, we rapidly cleaned all the windows but one. This one needs a bit more attention, but so you get a nice impression of how the car turned out. Oh, we only have one thing left to do, which is actually vacuuming. We just can't move the seats from position because they are electric.
The battery is dead. Even if it weren't, I still wouldn't have connected the battery poles.
Because I just don't dare to with a wiring harness that looks like this.
You know, yes, that car tree is a bit melted, as you know. And yes, we don't want to break more unnecessarily. Indeed, for the same money, there is a ECU burning somewhere or whatever. So we leave the seats in the position as they stand. We are just going to vacuum around it. And before we get the comments, this is not dusty, but just
Draft water indeed.
So we make it with that.
Interior first.
Clean it up more. Another thing, the viewers will surely be curious whether the interior is actually damaged behind the seats because yes, there has obviously been a lot of fire here. Yes, we will of course show the viewers that that was also the first thing we checked when we bought the car. And as you can see, the car is neat. Very neat, actually.
Only this.
Windows are quite dirty, right? Indeed. Shall I clean them now? Yes, we'll clean the windows so at least more light can come in, and then we can show exactly that nothing is actually damaged by the fire, and that we are actually very happy with it indeed. The interior doesn't even smell like fire. It just looks fresh. It just looks nice, and you wouldn't be able to say that there has been a fire in this car. No, we've been polishing for a few hours now, also busy with a small brush.
Have been we.
We are not detailers, but we do our best to put down as beautiful a result as possible. Even the Lamborghini logo shines again, guys. It was just gray and
The button.
Wasn't even red, you couldn't even see that, so it's mega cool how much effort you put into making a car beautiful again. So yeah, super to the window cleaning, show what it looks like. Yeah, it
Is not.
very important that we don't do this, but we just think it's super fun. And yeah, it has to happen once that the interior just gets cleaned indeed. Because I also think the longer it's on, the more damage it can cause such an idea. I had at least a bit. Yeah, and now we just see the beautiful original interior back. And is that just 340 on the speedometer, top speed 340? Are we gonna drive that once, maybe in Germany? Let's go. Well guys, Danny was completely polished. Not normal, there's so much soot on that window.
That is really
Hard to remove. You can estimate when you see the panel inside.
my hands are completely black from the soot on the window.
But this thing, that glass cleaner from Torito Company, also a miracle stuff. With that, it's just really a piece of cake.
So inside it's new and outside it's new. The little window then.
The little window is completely spotless and beautiful, without a single burned spot. It's quite remarkable. Yes, well actually this is all crumpled and discolored. So let's vacuum them now, and then we'll show the final result. We've done that, and then we can finally move on to the back. Let's go. Guys, during our big cleanup, we found out that our seatbelts are unfortunately frayed. It's particularly noticeable at the bottom. So with these seatbelts, we're not going to pass the Ministry of Transport, because your seatbelts are not allowed to be frayed.
A company that makes seatbelts contacted us before, but we lost their contact information.
If they want to approach us again, and yes, via Instagram, and we thought it would be super cool if we are already replacing seatbelts to do something with an orange thing, because as you know, in our interior we have orange stitching, and we thought it would be super fun to do something with orange, not to take orange seatbelts, but maybe to do an orange line. So yes, if you have a company that can do that well, let us know and we will contact you. Yes, now that we've said this, the interior is pretty much finished. So could you add a slow motion shot, because this car deserves to be shown in all its glory. And there you have it.
Guys, a few minutes later and the interior is still completely clean.
We now also know, for example, that the seatbelts are frayed and that the pink ventilation is defective.
So we'll just note those 2 points, but we're not going to look at the interior anymore, because that's now completely done. I'm also super happy that the seats weren't damaged by the stuff that was on them, and yes, that's of course a nice bonus. In the upcoming episodes, we're finally going to start with the back, because yes, as you can see, there's plenty of work to be done. Do you believe in us? Then don't forget to subscribe. Give a blue thumbs up if you think this is a cool project, because this has never been done on YouTube before.
The twins, television will handle this for you.
And are you following us on Instagram or not, twins? Television, please do that. There's extra content not on YouTube. Check it out for more of us. So in the upcoming episodes, we will continue. We have a lot of work to do. We'll use all the help for this big project. And yes, back next week with a new episode, then we dive in the back. I'm really curious what can still be saved. Open the hood one more time for the viewers then. Guys, what have we bought? What have we bought? But it's going to be totally fine. It's going to be totally fine. We'll see you then.